Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create multiple projects in UPBASE. As you know, UPBASE is a leading project management tool, and managing multiple projects effectively is crucial for any team. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your UPBASE account. It's here where all your projects live and breathe. By logging in, you're essentially unlocking the door to your project management hub. Next up, navigate to the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of your existing projects. By clicking on this tab, you're essentially saying, "Hey UPBASE, I'm ready to create a new project." Now that we've done that, click on the Create New Project button. This is your key to start building a new project from scratch. The reason we do this is to provide UPBASE with the command to prepare a blank canvas for your new project. Once you've clicked Create New Project, you'll be prompted to enter details about your new project. This includes the project name, description, and team members. This step is critical because it gives your project its identity and assigns the right people to it. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is creating a unique space for this project where all its details and tasks will be stored. This helps us because it keeps our project information organized and easy to find. Once you've filled out all the details, hit the Save button. Just like that, you've created a new project in UPBASE. Congratulations, but we're not done yet. To create multiple projects, simply repeat the process. The beauty of UPBASE is that it allows you to create and manage as many projects as you need. So, go ahead and repeat the process for each new project. Remember, the more details you provide, the better UPBASE can help you manage the project effectively. And there you have it. You're now a pro at creating multiple projects in UPBASE. Remember, good project management is all about staying organized and ensuring everything is in its right place. Thanks for joining us today, and happy project managing.